run, railroad, road are called as land transport. These vehicles are petrol, diesel, in run. Most means land transport or vehicle. Example: bicycle, van, truck, motorcycle, train, car, ambulance, bus. Thank you. The means of transport that carries people and goods through air is called air transport. That carries. It is the fastest means of transport. Example: aeroplane, helicopter, jet, plane. Thank you.
This is model of an island which is surrounded by water.
आइलैंड सबसे पहले बहुत लेगो का जब पेट ठंडा हो जाता है तब उसको आइलैंड बोला जाता है.
Then it is formed. Thank you.
This is the model of desert. In desert, the desert is giant mountains and plains. In desert, common plant in desert are cactus and date palm. In desert, the camel, lizard, snake live in the desert. Thank you.
This is a model of motorcycle.
जब गर्मी में पानी गर्म हो जाते और भाप बन जाता है तो ऊपर जाके उसको एरोप्लेन बोलते हैं.
पानी के कारण ट्री, पेड़ और ग्रास सबसे ज्यादा बढ़ता है.
This is the model of physical features of This is the model of physical features of India. This is the northern mountains. The northern part of India is a high wall of mountains. These are referred to as the northern mountains or the Himalayas. This is the northern plains. In the south of the Himalayas region, they are the northern plains. These great plains of India, also known as northern plains or Indo-Gangetic plains. This is the Great Indian Desert. The desert is a large sandy place of land where there is very little water and few plants and vegetation. The only means of transport here is the camel. This is the coastal plain. A mass of land surrounded on water on three sides is called peninsula. The India has a long coastline on both eastern and western sides. The land which lies between the sea and mountain range is called coastal plains. This is the southern plateau. The highland that is a flat at the top is called a plateau. To the south of the northern plains lies the southern plateau. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Chhattisgarh and Upper Odisha are the areas included in the southern plateau. This is the Assam area. Thank you.
The Red Fort is a historical monument in India. It was built by the Shah Jahan in 1648. The first Prime Minister who stayed here was Jawaharlal Nehru in the year 1649 on 5th January. Every year, Prime Minister hosts the flag here. It was built by the red sandstone. That's why it is red. This was the Mughal Empire's main residence. It shows the culture and history of the India. It shows a beautiful architecture.
This is the model of rock cycle. This is the process by which rocks melt naturally. When magma cools down and it solidifies, it becomes igneous rock. Igneous sediments are made by the weathering and erosion of igneous rock. Sedimentary rocks are made by the compaction, deposition and cementation of sediments due to high pressure and heat. Sedimentary rocks become metamorphic rock. Due to high heat, the metamorphic rock becomes again magma, and this process continuously happens. Thank you.
This is a model of solar system. It has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Thank you. These are different type of houses. Paka house is a strong house. It is very beautiful. I like my house. Thank you. This is model of tent house. दिस इज मॉडल ऑफ टेंट हाउस. इसमें हम लोग कैंपिंग भी कर सकते हैं. इसमें हम लोग जंगली जानवर से भी बच सकते हैं. थैंक यू. ये एक इग्लू है. इसके ये जहाँ पे रहता है, जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, इसके अंदर पेंगुइन रहते हैं. यहाँ एक झोपड़ी है. यहाँ एक झोपड़ी है. ये सूखे घास और मिट्टी से बनता है. This is a houseboat. ये लकड़ी से बना होता है. This is pollution. This is pollution. This is noise pollution, water pollution, air pollution and land pollution. Thank you.
Good morning. We have tried to explain the layers of atmosphere. The layers of atmosphere, in the first layer it is troposphere, which extends over 16 kilometers from the equator. Then the second layer of atmosphere is stratosphere, in which planes are used to fly. And mesosphere is the third layer of atmosphere. And mesosphere is not a layer, but it is the division between mesosphere and exosphere. In exosphere there are many satellites and space stations for research of space. Thanks.
This is the water purification model. Thank you.
वाटर प्योरिफिकेशन मॉडल बोलो.
Water purification.
The model is about air pollution. As you can see here, this is the factory which is releasing toxic gases, harmful gases. This harmful gases are harmful gases very toxic for our bodies. It causes cancer to our body. It also harmful for our atmosphere.
This is a model of windmill. Windmill produce in the solar energy. Windmill are produced in electricity via 3 blades and a diesel zone. Thank you. This is a model of agriculture. Model greenhouse drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a highly efficient of watering method that delivers of water slowly and directly to the plant's root via a network of pipes and usually less water. Greenhouse is a structure with glass of plastic walls roof that traps solar heat, creating controlled environment for growing plants. Thank you. This is the model of the emotional spine. The emotional spine is but is not follow the same. This is the opponent, neutral, primary, and neutral. Thank you.
This is a model of a volcano eruption. Volcano eruption, the earth's surface is a very hot and the reaction of a volcano. This is a very dangerous and very hot.
This is a model of land pollution. Plastic is useful, but it is very harmful for the environment, animal and human beings. No, you do not use a plastic bag. You will be use a cotton bag. Thank you.
ये एक छोटा सा वोल्केनो है. Thank you. This is Punjab
of the earth. Our earth. The earth is made of four main layers. Crust. The outermost layer where we make up about 1% of the earth. Very thin. The other layer, metal. Located below the crust, the largest layer, the earth, make up about 84% made of hot sedimentary rocks. Outer core. Found below the metal, make up about 40% of the earth. Made of liquid iron and nickel, responsible for earth magnetic